someone from 6th standard.
I am Dikshita from 4th standard. I am Priyanka from same class.
I am Sinchana from 7th standard. So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. Just looking like a wow, wow, wow. Today everything looks so wonderful. We all are gathered here to celebrate a festival, Sangama. Through this festival, we are going to unveil the world hidden patterns and connections through the interconnected lens of mathematics, science and social science.
ಗಣಿತ, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ, ಸಮಾಜ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಇವು ಕೇವಲ ಪಠ್ಯೇಯ ವಿಷಯಗಳಲ್ಲ. ಸಮಾಜದ ಆಗುಹೋಗುಗಳನ್ನು ಅರಿಯಲು, ಜೀವನದ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸಲು ನಮಗೆ ಅಗತ್ಯವಿರುವ ಅತ್ಯಮೂಲ್ಯ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳಾಗಿವೆ. ಈ ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಅಗಾಧ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಸಂಗಮ ಹಬ್ಬ ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕರೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಗಣಿತ, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ, ಸಮಾಜ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಈ 3 ಅದ್ಭುತ ವಿಷಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಕವಾಗಿರುವ ಅದ್ಭುತ ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಮೈರೋಮಾಂಚನಗೊಳಿಸುವ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಪ್ರಸಂಗಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮೆದುರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Saptaha is not a new term for all of us. It is a celebration of education, a unique way of learning a subject. We can witness a pure magical experience when we come together to celebrate 3 subjects.
Yes, you heard us right. We are going to celebrate 3 subjects together in this festival, Sangama. Sangama, a legacy of learning, a celebration of opportunity. Sangama, a gateway to success. Sangama, where knowledge meets creativity. Sangama, it's a celebration of unity. Sangama, it helps us to explore the world through science, mathematics and social science.
Science helps us to understand the world around us. Science is in nature, science is in living things, science is in things, science is in clothes, science is everywhere. It plays a vital role.
Mathematics is universal language. It describes relationship. It is the foundation of numerous fields including science, engineering, economics and technology. So mathematics is everywhere. It plays crucial role.
Social science is important for humans. It contributes to mental well-being. It also helps us to build relationship and provide a sense of belonging and support. It also interconnected to both mathematics and science.
So let us know more interesting facts about these 3 Saptahas in the Sangama festival. ಇದು actually ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು.
ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಬ್ಬನ. Presenting before you a marvelous festival of Shri Basaveshwara English Medium School, Sangama 2023.
Thank you.
Now I would like to hand over this mic to Rajeshwari and Priyanka.
ಜ್ಞಾನ ಎಂಬ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಣಿತದ ಸಾಗರವನ್ನು ದಾಟಿ ಹೊರಬರುವವರೇ ವಿವೇಕರಾಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. A very beautiful morning to everyone. I am Rajeshwari from 9th standard. I am Priyanka from same class. I would like to add fragrance to this program by inviting the guest.
ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಶಾರದೆ ಉಮಾ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಿ, ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಶಾರದೆ ಉಮಾ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮೊಳಗಿಹ ನಾರಮ್ಮ, ನಿಮ್ಮೊಳಗಿಹ ನಾರಮ್ಮ, ಕಮ್ಮಗೊಲ್ಲನ ವೈರಿಸುತನಾದ ಸೊಂಡಿಲ, ಕಮ್ಮಗೊಲ್ಲನ ವೈರಿಸುತ.
And opinions of students of Shri Basaveshwara English Medium School is expressed in this short volume. In this volume, we explained about Saptaha festival. I kindly request admin sir and beloved guests to publish the book, short volume Sangama 2023.
Thank you for publishing the short volume, sir.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಸಹಿತ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರೀತಿಯ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸರಾಗವಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕಲೆಯನ್ನ ಕಲಿತಾರೆ, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯವನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಗುವಿಗೂ ಸಹಿತ ಆ ವಿಷಯದ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಬಂದಿರತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಅದರ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇಂದಾನೇ ಶುರುವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಾಡ್ಮಾಸ್ ಇಂದ ಶುರುವಾದಂಥದ್ದು ಥೈರಿವರೆಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪೈಥಾಗೋರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಿವರೆಗೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸರಾಗವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ನಾವಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸರಾಗವಾಗಿ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಚಿತ್ರೀಕರಣ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾವು, ಹೀಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಸ್ಟರಿ ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಆಳವಾದ ಜ್ಞಾನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಸ್ಟರಿಯನ್ನ ತಾವೇ ಕಲಿಯುವಷ್ಟು, ಸರಾಗವಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುವಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಪಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಮಗು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರು ಏನ್ ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋ ಮಾತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದಾರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಯೋಜನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಅಂದಾಗ 2 ಗಂಟೆ ಇಲ್ಲ 2.5 ಗಂಟೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ದಿನಗಳಗಟ್ಲೆ ಬೇಕು, ವಾರನೇ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆಯೋಜಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2.5 ತಾಸಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಅದಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಾದವರು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮಾಜ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ, ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮುಂಚೂಣಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ವಿಷಯದ ಸಪ್ತಾಹಗಳು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಮುಂದುವರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೂ ಸಹಿತ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಗು ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಳವಾಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ, ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ, ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ತನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಸೃಜನಶೀಲತೆಯನ್ನ ಸಹಿತ ಮಗು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮುಂದೆ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರಣ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಈ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಾನು 2 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Good morning everyone. My name is Pratiksha. She is my friend Sinchana. Today I would like to tell about 5 years plan. Indians' first 5 years plan came into effect on 1st April 1951. The government has implemented each 5 years plan with certain specific objectives. First plan 1951 to 1956 focused on agriculture. Second plan 1956 to 1961 emphasis on industrialization. Third plan 1961 to 1966 continued focus on industrialization. Fourth plan 1966 to 1961 focus on agriculture, implemented poverty. Fifth plan 1974 to 1979 emphasis on poverty, alleviation, self-creation and social justice. Sixth plan 1918 to 1985 continued focus on poverty, alleviation, self-creation. Seventh plan 1985 to 1990 focus on improving productivity and modernizing industries. Eighth plan 1992 to 1997 emphasis on liberalization and globalization of the India. Ninth plan 1997 to 2002 focus on human development and poverty alleviation, infrastructure development. 10th plan 2002 to 2007 emphasis on inclusive growth, employment and generation and rural. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Ashwini. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I would like to tell about Niti Aayog. National Institution for Transforming India was started on 1st January 2015 to replace Planning Commission. Niti Aayog uses bottom-up approach. Its objectives include a 15 years roadmap, 7 years vision, strategy and action plan. It is headed by the Prime Minister of the country, but day-to-day administration is looked after by the Vice Chairman. Objectives. First point, to evolve a shared vision of national development, priorities, sectors and strategies with the active involvement of states. Second point, to foster cooperative federalism through structured support initiatives and mechanisms with the states on a continuous basis, recognizing that strong states make a strong nation. Niti Aayog's activities can be divided into 4 main heads: policy and program framework, cooperative federalism, monitoring and evaluation, think tank and knowledge and innovation hub. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. Myself Deepthi. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I would like to tell about natural acids. Natural acids are acids which occurs naturally in some substances are lemon, citric acid, mango, oxalic acid, wheat, glutaric acid, milk, lactic acid, tea powder, tannic acid, spinach, folic acid, and bite, formic acid, butter, butyric acid. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. I am Deekshita. Today I would like to tell about numbers in human body. Number of bones 206, number of muscles 639, number of kidneys 2, number of milk tea 20, number of chambers in the heart 4, pH of blood 7.4, number of vertebrae in the spine 33, number of vertebrae in the neck 7, number of bones in middle ear 6, number of bones in arm 6, number of bones in skull 40, number of bones in chest 25, number of bones in hand 27, number of bones in each human foot 14, number of muscles in each human body 74, average length of small intestine 1 meter, average length of large intestine 1.5 meter, average weight of newborn baby 3 kg, pregnancy period 270 days, number of ribs 24, body temperature 37 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. I am Manjunath. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am going to tell types of banks and accounts. The term bank is derived from Old Italian word banco or from a French word banque. Both mean a bench or money exchange table. Types of banks. There are different types of banks. Each type of bank is specialized in different types of activities. The important types of banks are Central Bank or Reserve Bank of India, commercial banks, land development banks, indigenous banks, cooperative banks. Types of bank accounts. Generally 4 kinds of accounts can be opened in a bank. They are savings bank account, current account, recurring deposit account, term deposit account. Thank you. Thank you so much for your wonderful performance. Next, I would like to call Board Basket to present. Hello, good afternoon everyone. Mathematics is all around us. Everything, whatever we measure, maths is involved. In maths, everything in order. Now let's learn about BODMAS, a simple mathematical rule for helping students to do. Operation in order. Today, the students are presenting small skill which deals with the importance of BODMAS I am so alone with Yo. Hey, who are you? Who allowed you to come in? Wait. I will introduce myself. I am Edison and I will prove that I will be very useful to you. I can increase your value. Please don't try to ever you. But how can do this? First take the number 3 and 2. If you add these both number, answer will be 5. Oh wow, with addition we can meet so many new numbers. I am so happy, but tell me how can decrease my value? I can decrease your value. Show me. Take the number 3 and 2. If I come between 3 and 2, then your value will be 1. Oh, so cool. Repeated addition. Hey, what do you mean by this? I am a multiplication. I have double the value. When you want to add a number, again and again I can make the calculation very easy. And when you will come to me at shortcut, then I am in service. Hi. I am the representative of multiplication. Here, you go one more opination. Do you want to meet? Yes, I am so excited. Hi, hello, Arun. I am my division. When you want to equal, I work into my calculation. Easier. Friends, you can call me Shir also. Oh wow, so many operations to do with. I am so happy. Let's play with number. Let's play. Okay, stop. So many operations to do. What a problem. Don't worry, dear. In order we can play with the number. Wait. I will explain. Can I say order, dear? An order. You can play with according to a sequence like O for half, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Oh, what was? Hello, I am a bracket. My role is to catch all the operations kept in the box. No. Let's finish this bracket. Otherwise, it will not allow us to play. Attack. So, dear friends, always remember when we have a bracket, our work is to finish it first, then we can play according to sequence. Yes, you mean here our new sequence is B for bracket, O for half, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. So dear friends, maths is all about numbers, formulas, operations, order are called physical units. Maths is not just for watching. You should learn and try to find simple things. Complicated to find simple things. But I hope maths and mathematical operations is. A teacher teaches us every problem has a solution. I repeat, every problem has a solution. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Sharan Basava and he is my friend Naveen Kumar. Today we would like to tell about Subhash Chandra Bose and INA. The name of Subhash Chandra Bose is very significant in the freedom struggle. He was most intelligent student of Calcutta University. He got 4th rank in ICS examination in London. He was attracted by the personality of Deshabandhu, Chittaranjan Das and entire politics. Subhash had great respect for Gandhiji, but he opposed the political stance of Gandhiji. Ultimately, due to the several different opinions with Gandhiji, he resigned the post of president and came out from the party in year 1939. Consequently, he established a new party is called Forward Bloc. At that time, Japan entered the World War II and fought against the Britain. On the British side, there are about 40,000 Indian soldiers who became war prisoners of Japan. They were organized under the leadership of Mohan Singh as Indian National Army. In the year of 1943, Bose came to Singapore and took up the leadership of INA. Subhash was called Netaji. Soon Netaji established a temporary government of
independent India. His bold call to country was, "Give me blood, I will give you freedom." INA is an example of Netaji's excellent organizing capabilities. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Sandeep. Today I would like to tell about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, 1891 to 1956, was a great leader who fought for the welfare of Dalits and other deprived sections of the society. He was an extremely intelligent person, and through his constant hard work and studies, he obtained PhD degree from the prestigious London School of Economics and LLD degree from Columbia University, America. He obtained bar at law too. These degrees reflect his lofty intellectual capabilities. Subsequently, he fulfilled the responsibilities of creating a draft of the Indian Constitution as the president of the draft committee. He was called the architect of the Indian Constitution.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Purti, class 7 standard. Today I will tell about Ambedkar and his reforms. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar efficiently argued for provision of political representative to the deprived classes in front of Sedbroth and Simon commissions. Later, in the three-round table conference held at London as a representative of the Dalits, Ambedkar started to newspaper especially for the upliftment of the deprived classes. Deveri Mukhanayaka, the leader, and Bahishkruta Bharata. He established the organization Bahishkruta Aikrani Sabha. Ambedkar was the first law minister of independent India in 1956, only 3 months before his death. As a gone converted to Buddhism in 1990, he was given the Bharata Ratna award.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Megha from 9th standard. Today I would like to tell about geometry. The word geometry comes from the Greek word geo and metro. Geo means earth and metro means to measure. Geometry appears to have originated from the need for measuring land. Geometry is the study of different types of shapes, figures, and shapes in math or in real life. In geometry, we can learn about different types of angles, transformations, similarities in the figures. The basic of geometry depend on majorly point, line, angles and plane. Now I would like to tell about the great mathematician Euclid. Euclid was a Greek mathematician who lived in the city of Alexandria. He invented the mathematical proof that is still used today. With it, he demonstrated what math that existed in his time was true, and he wrote out a number of theorems in plane geometry and number theory in the figures. Euclid proved that there are infinite primes, and he showed that there are geometry can be done with ruler and compass, and he is now known as the father of geometry. Thank you.
I am Mallikarjun. I am from Montessori. Today I am here to say most popular Indian dances: Bharatanatyam in Tamil Nadu, Kathak in Uttar Pradesh, Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh, Mohiniyattam in Assam, Dolukunta in Karnataka, Kathakali in Kerala, Ghumar in Rajasthan, Yakshagana in Karnataka, Odissi in Odisha, Garba in Gujarat, Bhangra in Punjab. I am Vivan, I am Nisarga, she is my friend Tanvi. We are from Montessori. Today we are here to and their capital, Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartha, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Bihar. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Manipur, Imphal. Punjab, Chandigarh. Assam, Dispur. West Bengal, Kolkata. Thank you. My name is Shiva. I am from Mathemati. Today we are here to say Indian Asne Kadamkari. It's originated in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Bandini is originated as in Rajasthan. Leharia is originated in Rajasthan. Ajarat is originated as in Gujarat. Mysore silk is originated in Ramnagar, Karnataka. Bag is originated as in Madhya Pradesh. Dabu is originated in Rajasthan. Sangna it's originated as in Rajasthan. Ikat it's originated in Odisha. Ilkasari it's originated as in Bagalkot, Karnataka. Muga silk it's originated in Assam. Bagru it's originated as in Rajasthan. Paithani it's originated in Maharashtra. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Megha. My name is Araja. We are from Montessori. We are 10 shapes name. This circle, oval, diamond, triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. Thank you everyone. Pranavi, he is my friend Mahendra. We are from Montessori. Today we are here to say greetings, different languages. Hello in English, Namaskar in Kannada, Vanakkam in Tamil, Adab in Kashmir, Namaskar in Bangla, Assalamu alaikum in Urdu, Kemcha in Gujarat, Kamagal in Marwadi. Thank you in English, Dhanyawada in Kannada, Nyandri in Tamil, Shukriya in Urdu and Kashmir, Dhanyavadalu in Telugu, Dhanyavada in Bengal, Abar in Gujarat. Thank you.
To tell about history of science. History of science is a fascinating journey that spans thousands of years. It is the story of how humans have sought to understand the natural world and make sense of the universe we live in. It all began with ancient civilizations like Egyptians, Greeks and Chinese, who made observations about the world around them and developed the early form of scientific knowledge. For example, Egyptians were skilled in astronomy and developed the calendar based on the movement of the stars. The Greeks were pioneers in mathematics and philosophy, with thinkers like Pythagoras and Aristotle making significant contributions to our understanding of the natural world. Scientists like Galileo Galilei and Isaac Newton made groundbreaking discoveries in physics and astronomy. The fields of biology, chemistry and medicine began to emerge with new discoveries. Today, science continues to advance rapidly with new discoveries. The history of science is a fascinating journey that spans thousands of years. It is a testament for human curiosity, ingenuity, and our relentless pursuit of knowledge.
Kanchana from 7th standard. Today I would like to tell about Sir C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman, also known as Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman, was an Indian physicist who made groundbreaking contributions to the field of light scattering. He was born on November 7, 1888 in the city of Tiruchirappalli in present-day Tamil Nadu, India. Raman's most notable discovery, known as Raman effect, was earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. The Raman effect is inelastic scattering of light by molecules, which leads to a change in the wavelength of the scattered light. This discovery provided evidence for the existence of molecular energy levels and opened up new possibilities for studying the behavior of molecules. Raman's work had a significant contributions to including physics, various fields, chemistry and biology. Apart from his scientific achievements, Raman also served as the first Indian director of Indian Institute in Science in Bengaluru. He played a crucial role in establishing the Raman Research Institute in Bengaluru, which continues to be led a research institution in India. C.V. Raman's contributions to science and his dedication to research have left a lasting impact on scientific community. He is considered one of India's greatest scientists and is remembered as a pioneer in the field of light scattering.
I am Tanushri from 9th. Today I would like to tell about the Nobelist Subrahmanyam Chandrasekhar. Subrahmanyam Chandrasekhar, often referred to as S. Chandrasekhar or Chandra, was an Indian and American astrophysicist who made significant contributions to our understanding of stellar evolution and black holes. He was born on October 19, 1910 in Lahore, British India and passed away on August 21, 1995 in Chicago, United States. Chandrasekhar's groundbreaking work focused on the structure and evolution of the stars. He developed mathematical models that explain how the stars evolved and demonstrated that there is an upper limit to the mass of the white dwarf star, known as Chandrasekhar limit. This limit, which is approximately 1.4 times to the mass of the white dwarf star, determines whether a dying star will become a white dwarf or undergoes a more cataclysmic collapse leading to a supernova or black holes. Chandrasekhar's work on Chandrasekhar limit earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1983. In addition to his scientific achievements, Chandrasekhar was known for his humility, dedication to research and passion for teaching. He served as a professor at the University of Chicago and mentored numerous students who went on to become a leading scientist in their own right. Subrahmanyam Chandrasekhar's legacy continues to inspire the scientists around the world and he is widely regarded as one of the greatest astrophysicists of 20th century. Thank you. 9th standard. Today I would like to tell about Venkataraman Ramakrishnan. Venkataraman Ramakrishnan is commonly known as Venki Ramakrishnan. He is an Indian-born British-American structural biologist who won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2009. He was born on April 2, 1952 in Chidambaram, Tamil Nadu. Ramakrishnan's research focused on the structure and function of the ribosomes and the cellular structure responsible for the protein synthesis. Using X-ray crystallography, he determined the atomic structure of the ribosome. His work has advanced our understanding of fundamental biological processes and has implications for new antibiotics and treatments for diseases. Ramakrishnan's groundbreaking research earned him numerous of awards and honors, including Nobel Prize in Chemistry, which he shared with Thomas A. Steers and Yada Yonath. He is also a fellow of the Royal Society and a member of the National Academy of Sciences. He continues to be a leading figure in the scientific community and an inspiration to aspire the scientists worldwide. Thank you.
Periodic table and its elements. Periodic table. It is also known as periodic table of the elements. It was discovered by Henry Moseley. There are 118 elements in the periodic table. Those are arranged into 7 rows and 18 columns. The first periodic table was generally accepted was that of the Russian chemist Diti Mendeleev in 1869. Now 118 elements were discovered till today. Those are H hydrogen, He helium, Li lithium, Be beryllium, B boron, C carbon, N nitrogen, O oxygen, F fluorine, N neon, Na sodium, Mg magnesium, Al aluminium, Si silicon, P phosphorus, S sulfur, Cl chlorine, Ar argon, K potassium, Ca calcium. S scandium, Ti titanium, V vanadium, Ca chromium, Mn manganese, Fe iron, Co cobalt, Ni nickel, Cu copper, Zn zinc. Ga gallium, Ge germanium, As arsenic, Se selenium, Br bromine, Ka krypton, Rb rubidium, S strontium, Y yttrium, Z zirconium, Nb niobium, Mo molybdenum, Tc technetium, Ru ruthenium, Rh rhodium, Pd palladium, Ag silver, Cd cadmium, In indium, Scentin, Sb antimony, Te tellurium, I iodine, Xe xenon, Ce cesium, Ba barium, Ll lanthanum, Ce cerium, Pr praseodymium, Nd neodymium. Pm promethium, Sm samarium, europium, Gd gadolinium, Tb terpium, Dy dysprosium, Ho holmium, Er erbium, Tm thulium, Yb tritium, Lu lutetium, Hf hafnium, Ta tantalum, W tungsten, R uranium, Os osmium, Pl platinum, Au gold, Hg mercury, Tl thallium, Pb lead, Bi bismuth, Pu polonium, As astatine, R radon, F francium, R radium, Th thorium, P protactinium, uranium, Np neptunium, Am americium, Cm curium, Bk berkelium, Cf californium, Es instanium, Fm fermium, Md mendelevium, No nobelium, Ll lawrencium, Rf rutherfordium, Db dubnium, Sd seaborgium, Bh borium, Hs hassium, Mt meitnerium, Ds demstadium, Rg rhodium, Cn copernicium, Nh nihonium, Fl flerovium, Lv livermorium, Ts tennessine, Ogiogenesum. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Akanksha Sihiraman from class 9. Today I would like to tell about inventors and their inventions. Who are inventors? Inventors are individuals who come up with new ideas, concepts and design and turn them into practical inventions. They play a crucial role in improving technology, advancing everyday life and solving various problems. They have made significant contributions to society through their innovative ideas and inventions. Now I will tell some of the famous inventors and their inventions. Wright brothers invented aeroplane. Alexander Graham Bell invented telephone. Light bulb was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. James Watt invented steam engine. Torricelli invented barometer. J.L. Baird invented television. Fahrenheit invented mercury thermometer. Telescope was invented by Hans Lippershey. Torricelli invented barometer. Martin Cooper invented mobile phone. Computer was invented by Charles Babbage. K. Macmillan invented bicycle. Guglielmo Marconi invented radio. B. Thimonier invented sewing machine. Zacharias Janssen invented microscope. Balloon was invented by Michael Faraday. Blaise Pascal invented calculator. Sir Frank Whittle invented jet engine. Gramophone was invented by Edward Scott A. Martinville. And C. Biro invented ballpoint pen. Electric iron was invented by H.W. Seeley. Electric iron was invented by H.W. Seeley. Typewriter was invented by Christopher Scholz. Thank you.
Today I would like to tell about importance of social science. Social science is one of the branch of science devoted to the study of economics within those societies. The science of society was established in the 18th century. In development and improvement in all these social science, it has now human rights, agriculture, architecture, etc.
I am Shada from 9th is Rakshak is Sharan Baswa. Today we are going to tell about modern Europe. The historians classify the long history of Europe into three ages. They are Ancient Age, Modern Age and Middle Age. The significant historical developments marking by the three. They are Renaissance, Reformation and Geographical. The Renaissance movement developed the outlook of questioning traditional beliefs and rituals. The attitude of the people towards religion till then changed. The Renaissance means it's revolving, it is horizontal, it is revolving, it's also mean by reawakening. The word Renaissance significant reflected to that took place around the 1400 to 1600 century in the field of European literature, art, horticulture and science. The word Renaissance
Renaissance movement developed the cultural aspects. Rival original in Italy.
During the Renaissance, literature was read in the national or local languages. As a result, many humanist writers read the various of during this period. Petrarch was his lyrics and sonnets are well known. Dante was a great Italian poet. He wrote the epic Divine Comedy. Boccaccio was a storyteller. He wrote the Decameron is a great literature during this period.
Art. In the 16th century, there were many talented artists in Italy. Prominent among them, Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo. Leonardo da Vinci. He was a wonderful painter. He sculpted, engineer, doctor, and mathematician. He was a sculptor on the rocks. Mona Lisa was a wonderful painting. Thank you.
Today I would like to tell Krishnaraja Wadiyar IV. The Krishnaraja Wadiyar IV was the 24th Maharaja of Mysore. He was born on 1884, 4th June. His parents Chamarajendra Wadiyar X and Kempananjamana Devi. He was the eldest son of the Maharaja. Chamarajendra he assumed power in 1902. The Sir M. Visvesvaraya is the greatest scholar and the Krishnaraja Wadiyar also the greatest scholar. Thank you.
He established university in Mysore, abolished fees in all primary school to develop primary education. He established many small and large scale industries like sugar factory, iron and steel industries, cement factory, paper mill. He developed his administration. As much as he had a great contribution to develop his administration, he was died on 4th August 1940. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. I am Kamar Osman. I am studying in 9th standard. Today I would like to tell about Balaji Bajirao. Do you know about Balaji Bajirao? Yes, Balaji Bajirao came to power at the age of 20 years. Balaji Bajirao appointed his close relative Sadashiv Babu to guide in the administration, enhance the image of the Marathas. He took measures to improve the economic state of kingdom, to establish the empire of Bundelkhand and tied with armies of Holkar and Sindhi in over 1742. Ahmad Shah Abdali of Afghanistan attacked Mughal areas and captured Lohar, Multan and Kashmir and fought with army. In Panipat, mentioned year and gone defeated. Mathematics is the science and the study of topics of numbers, formulas, structures, shapes and space which contains the quantities and their change. Mathematics is all around us. As we discover more and more about our environment and about our surroundings, nature can be described mathematically. The beauty of flower and the majesty of the tree, even rock which we walk upon to exhibit scenes of symmetry.
Hello.
The history of mathematics is nearly as old as humanity itself.
Hello.
Since antiquity, mathematics has been
yeah.
fundamental to advance in science, engineering, philosophy.
Huh?
It has evolved from simple counting, measurement, calculation, systematic study of shape, motion of physical objects, to the broad, complex, imagination and logic, and often abstract discipline we know today. Thank you.
Hello.
I am Stamo from 6th standard. Today I would like to tell about the real full form of mathematics. A miracle of nature, A art of arithmetic, T tool of knowledge, H habit of problem solving, E evaluation of civilization, M magic of numbers, A application of rules,
Can't click
T
photos at
talent,
that time.
I ideas of intellect, C creativity of algebra, S science of learning. Thank you.
Thank you for your wonderful performance. Hey everyone, my name is Sarishri from 7th. He is Prajwal from 6th. Today we would like to tell the national symbols and national festivals. National symbols. A country adopts certain to represent its culture, tradition and values. These are called national symbols. The national flag and the national emblem are the main national symbols of our country. National flag. Our flag consists of 3 colors. It has bright saffron at the top, white in the middle and the dark green at the bottom. There is a blue colored wheel in the center of the white band. The wheel has 24 spokes. National emblem. National emblem. It has an adaptation from the Sarnath lion, capital of Ashoka. The government of India adopted the national emblem on 26 January 1950. In the emblem, 3 lions are visible. Below the accused are inscribed the words Satyameva Jayate from Mandaka punished in Devanagari script. National animal. The tiger is our national animal. It is attractive and enormously powerful. National bird. The peacock is our national bird. It is very attractive and colorful bird. National
national flower. The lotus, which occupies the special place in Indian culture, is our national flower.
National Festival. The festivals are uniformly celebrated all over the country as known as National Festival. Some national festivals are Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Republic Day, the contribution of India celebrated in 26 January 1950. This day we celebrate every year as the Republic Day. Second, Gandhi Jayanti. The contribution of India celebrated its 15th August at the Red Fort in New Delhi at the first third of Gandhi Jayanti. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma, is under his leadership. His birthday on 2nd October is celebrated as the Gandhi Jayanti all over the country. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Chaitanya. I am from 6th standard. Today I would like to tell about fraction promoting national integration. Secularism. India is a secular country. It is not against any religion. Democracy. India is a democratic nation and all citizens are equal before the law. National festivals. National festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Our national symbols. Our national symbols are emblems like national anthem, national flag, national animal, national bird and national flower. Interdependence. The central and the state government work together to achieve common of the nation.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Lakshmi Sharanya from the class 10. Today I am going to present before you all an interesting topic that's none other than millets. Food is a basic essential of our life. Over the last few years, many diets have caught the attention of us. Some of them are proved by the scientists and some are not. Millets are proved by the scientists. Millets are the small seeded grass which are grown across the world as a cereal crops. There are 3 types of millets: major millets, minor millets and sodium millets. For example, ragi, jowar, bajra, etc. The advantages of millets are as follows. They are good for curing the insomnia, they are good for curing diabetes and they are good for curing the thyroid. Thank you.
Today I would like to tell about NCC. The NCC teaches importance of community, living leadership and other qualities. The students who have undergone NCC training are given preference in military requirement. They are also eligible to join the NCC. The main aim of the NCC is to create sense of responsibility towards the defense of our country. Discipline and unity is its motto. Thank you.
My topic is the Red Cross Society. Red Cross Society is a both national and international organization. In 1920, Indian Parliament passed the bill and established this organization. And the Red Cross Society functions through its branches, 1100 districts, and the President of India is its president. Its motto: serve humanity.
My topic is Central Police Force and National Defence Force. Central Police Force. All states government in India have their police force. In addition, central government has also police force, known as Central Police Force. National Defence Force. National Defence Force provides security to VIPs. Its chief concern is internal security and supervision of terrorist activities. The anti-bomb secure supports the work of National Defence Force.
My topic is Home Grades. Home Grades is an volunteer force. It was established in 1946. It is a great helpful for a local police harboring in space and society during this election. This force can be founded in some states and union territories. During this Indian Science Fair in 1962, there are 7,73,703 home grades in India.
My name is Raghuveer and I am from 9th standard. Those are my friends. Today I would like to tell about defense forces. The first and foremost duty of a country is to defend itself from military attacks by foreign countries. This duty is given to defense forces. Hence the defense force assume importance. It is a matter of pride that India has a defense force which is disciplined, capable and valiant. After independence, whenever the national integrity was threatened, we have faced the challenge ably. For example, the Chinese and Pakistani aggressions. In the Kargil war, the defense forces have proved their willingness to sacrifice everything for our motherland. The duties of the defense forces: defending
borders of our country, preserving the integrity of the country, preventing smuggling and illegal activities across the country. President of India is the supreme command of our defense forces. The defense forces consist of three branches: Army, Navy and Air Force. They participate in Independence Day, Republic Day parades and display their capabilities.
Indian Army. The headquarters of the Indian Army is in Delhi. It's known as the Commander-in-Chief. He has a Deputy Commander-in-Chief, Major, General Major, Brigadier, Secretary, Military Secretary and Military Engineer to consist. The Armed Corps consists infantry, cavalry, tank regiment called the Armed Corps, the Junior Corps. There is a supply and branch too. The main responsibility of the Indian Army is to protect the land and surrogate to foreign nations. Defense as a Deputy Commander-in-Chief, our geographical, political, social and technical environments.
My topic is Indian Navy. India has one of the world's longest coastline. We require a strong naval force to protect the islands of the Andaman, Nicobar and the Lakshadweep together with the coast of the mainland. The headquarters is Navy also is New Delhi. Its head is the Admiral, Rear Commander, Vice Admiral, Lieutenant Commander, Sub-Lieutenant. Besides, there are many warships like INS Nilagiri, Himagiri, Taragiri, Vindhyagiri, Chakradhari, etc. Thank you.
My topic is the Indian Air Force. The Indian Air Force is a modern unit well occupied with technology advanced aircraft. It has good defense, well equipment, developed communication network, latest spying. The Indian Air Force work effectively and courageously both during wartime and peacetime. The headquarters of Indian Air Force is New Delhi. The head of Air Force Air Chief is Marshal.
I am Anvita from 8th standard. Today I would like to tell about father of mathematics. Archimedes is considered as the father of mathematics for his significant and contribution to the development of mathematics. His contributions are being used in great vigor and even in modern times. Although a little is known about his family, birth and early childhood life, he is still considered one of famous antiquity figure. He was born in 287 BC into an astronomer family and died on 212 BC in Sage of Syracuse. From his childhood days, Archimedes took an interest in studying science, mathematics and politics. Throughout his entire life, Archimedes made several contributions in the field of mathematics. His important works are like on the equilibrium of planes, the measurement of circle, on spirals, the sand reckoners in the course of history. Therefore, he is considered as the father of mathematics because of his important contribution of mathematics. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Kalyan. I am studying in 7th standard. Today I would like to tell about Indian mathematician Srinivas Iyengar Ramanujan. Srinivas Iyengar Ramanujan was born on December 22nd, 1887 in Tamil Nadu. Despite having little formal experience in mathematics, he is among India's most well-known mathematicians. He is renowned for his mathematical analysis, number theory, continued fraction and solution to unresolvable math equations. Due to these contributions, he is known as the king of mathematics in India. Thank you. I am Pramod from class 9. Today I would like to introduce arithmetic. Arithmetic is one of the important branches of mathematics. It lays the foundation of math for students. Father of arithmetic. Brahmagupta is well known as Indian mathematician who has made significant contribution to geometry and number system. He is also known as father of arithmetic. His most notable contribution was his recognition of zero as a number, which was an innovative thought in the historical world of mathematics. This is groundbreaking innovation led to the establishment of the current form of mathematics. In addition, he proved Brahmagupta's theorem for cyclic quadrature.
From 8th standard, today I would like to introduce algebra. Algebra is a branch of mathematics which use alphabetic letters to find unknown numbers. These letters are also called variables. The values which are given in the expression such as numbers are called constants. Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi was a 9th century Muslim mathematician and astronomer. He is known as the father of algebra. A word derived from the title of his book Kitab al-Jabra. His pioneering work offered him practical answers on land distribution, rules on inheritance, and distributing salaries. He also developed one of the concepts of the algorithm in mathematics, which is why some have called him the grandfather of computer science. He is one of the most famous scholars of the House of Wisdom. The House of Wisdom was the center for the study of science, including mathematics, astronomy, geography, medicine, chemistry, astrology.
I am Priyanka from 8th standard. Today I would like to introduce the number system. Number system is defined as a system of writing to express the number. It is a mathematical notation for representation of a number given set by using digit or other symbols. It represents a unique representation in every number and represents arithmetic and algebraic structures of a figure. An Indian mathematician, Aryabhatta was the father of number system. Aryabhatta was born in Pataliputra, which is now Patna at Bihar. Around 476 CE, he is well known for developing the ideas like lunar and solar eclipses, the volume of 5 to 4 decimal places, the circumference of the earth to 99.8% accuracy, and etc. And his writings include well known as the Aryabhatiya that he wrote at the age of 23rd, and he had some impact on future mathematicians and intellectuals like Bhaskara First and Brahmagupta.
Fraction. Now I will introduce my fraction family. There are 7 numbers in my family: proper, improper, mixed, equivalent, unit, like and unlike. Do you know what is fraction? A part of a whole is called fraction.
Hi friends, I am proper fraction. Numerator is smaller than the denominator is called proper fraction. For example, 2 by 5, 2 by 8, 11 by 18, and so on.
Hello friends, I am an improper fraction. Numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called improper fraction. Example, 27 by 27, 12 by 4, and 7 by 3, and so on.
Hi friends, I am mixed fraction. The combination of a whole number and proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Example, 2 whole 3 by 5, 5 whole 4 by 3, and so on.
I am equivalent fraction. The numerator and denominator of a fraction is multiplied n. It's called equivalent fraction. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, and so on.
Hi everyone, I am unit fraction. Numerator is always one in fraction. Example, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 6, and so on.
Hi friends, I am a like fraction. Fraction with same denominators are called like fraction. Example, 1 by 7, 8 by 7, 23 by 7, and so on.
Hi friends, I am unlike fraction. Fraction with different denominator is called unlike fraction. Example, 1 by 2, 2 by 5, and so on. Yes, this is all about my fraction family.
My name is Danish from 9th. Today we would like to tell about multi-purpose river valley project. India has undertaken the construction of many river valley projects for minimum utilization of river system resources. These projects have other purpose besides provide for agriculture users. These are called multi-purpose river valley projects.
The main aims of these projects are providing irrigation facility, prevention of floods, preventing soil erosion, developing fishers.
The important multi-purpose river valley project in India, Damodar River Valley Project. This is the first multi-purpose river valley project of independent India. It is built with West Bengal and Bihar. It is caused large scale of India and it is called Share of Bengal.
Bhakra Nangal project. It is highest multi-purpose valley project of India. This is joint venture between Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan states. Dams are constructed at Bhakra and Nangal of Himachal Pradesh.
Kosi project. The main objective of this project is to prevent floods. Kosi was known as Share of Bihar. It is built with India and Nepal.
Irkut project. This project is known as Sara of Orissa. On account of its frequent flood, Irkut is the longest dam in the country by measuring 4,801 meters length.
Tungabhadra, irrigation and generation of hydroelectric power. It is established by Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. It is built across Tungabhadra river of Malapur near Ballari district.
Nagarjuna's project. This project constructed at Nandikunda village of Andhra Pradesh across the river Krishna.
Upper Krishna, irrigation and drinking water to Bijapur, Bagalkot, Raichur and Kalburgi. It is built across Krishna river of Almaty, Bijapur.
Narmada Valley project. This project provides irrigation facility and hydroelectric power to the North, Gujarat, Rajasthan and few areas of Maharashtra. Thank you. Today I would like to tell about community features. A group of people living in a specific geographical area with common rules and regulations, value and common identity. It is called community. Man cannot live alone. He is a social animal. He establishes various relations with the member of group he lives in. A community has the following features.
G1.
Group of people, limited specific area, feelings of togetherness, common visions of life, not established by law.
Types of community. Community is called with many other names. Example, rural community, urban community, tribal community. Rural community and its features. Rural community is the cornerstone of India's society. Features of rural community. Small community, social unity, prominence of agriculture, simplicity, traditional opinions. Features of tribal community. Common geographical area, group of families or cluster of families, interrelatedness, common language. Thank you.
Today I would like to explain Pythagoras model with this model. Pythagoras theorem is named after the name a great mathematician Pythagoras. It is only applicable to right angle triangle. According to it, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of other two squares. Now I will explain this formula with this model. The square of hypotenuse shows this, and other two square shows the other two sides of the square. And balls in the biggest square, it fills in other two squares. When I tilt it, it fills in other two squares. Hence, we can see that the biggest square is equal to other two squares. Hence, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Thank you.